Hey, I'm Connor with GME Supply, and in this video, we want to show you these rope bags from Sterling Ropes. When you think of proper rope handling and maintenance, the first thing that comes to mind might not be how you store and transport it. But given that your rope spends well over half its life in a truck or a trailer, how you store it can have a huge impact on its longevity. And that's where these rope bags from Sterling Ropes come in. Leave it to a company that's known for some of the highest quality ropes to create a solution for protecting those ropes. These bags are constructed from a lightweight yet durable nylon with grommeted drainage in the bottom and top handles for hanging in a job trailer or a shop. A large transparent pocket has been sewn onto the front to secure those important rope logs. And the cinch cord is made of a colorful nylon accessory cord. The large and medium sizes feature 2 padded shoulder straps, while the small version has 1 sling strap. So hauling your rope around the job site is easy and comfortable. Let's dive deeper into each size and their capacities. The large rope bag is denoted by its red color scheme. This 45-liter bag features an 11-inch diameter with a height of 25 inches and can hold up to 400 feet of half-inch rope. The medium-sized rope bag can be identified by its orange coloring. This 31-liter bag has a diameter of 11 inches with a height of 22 inches and can hold up to 200 feet of half-inch rope. And finally, the small rope bag features a yellow material. And with a 17-liter capacity, a diameter of 10 inches, and a height of 19 inches, it can hold up to 200 feet of 3/8 inch rope. These bags are made to withstand an immense amount of wear and tear, so your rope doesn't have to. Check out all 3 sizes, as well as a huge selection of Sterling gear at gmesupply.com. If you found this video informative, don't hesitate to hit that subscribe button to stay up to date with our future videos. Also, check out our podcast, Gear Up with Gear Experts, a show dedicated to all things at height industry. Find it at gearexperts.com.